In the waning years of the Victorian era, a feverish belief that atmosphere could be transformed into medicine gave rise to the Atmospheric Antidote Chamber, colloquially known as the AAC. Conceived in 1882 by Dr. Eleanor Hargrave, the device was a massive, coffin-shaped apparatus that dominated the filtered air wards of sanatoria across Europe. Form: the chamber's external shell is crafted from hammered brass panels, each riveted to a skeletal iron frame. Its silhouette is an elongated pyramid, its apex trimmed with a polished copper dome that housed a glass-filled inlet for the ozone generator. Inside, the patient reclines on a padded, leather-covered platform that slides into the heart of the cylinder. Toward the rear, a series of brass valves and analog gauges pulse like organ pipes, indicating pressure, temperature, and ozone concentration. The whole structure sits on a cast-iron carriage with 4 turned legs, reminiscent of a funeral hearse, giving the device a rust-colored, mausoleum-like presence. Function: Hargrave's theory borrowed heavily from the burgeoning field of pneumatic medicine. She argued that tuberculosis germs, then thought to be miasma in the lungs, could be eradicated by flooding the pulmonary system with a controlled, oxidizing atmosphere. The AAC used a steam-driven distillation column to convert distilled water into ozone, which was then mixed with ambient air and forced through a series of perforated brass pipes into the patient's thorax through a flexible copper hose. A lever-actuated pressure regulator allowed the physician to vary the dose, while a rudimentary auscultation window let the operator listen for the desired hissing cough, supposedly a sign of the disease being expelled. Aesthetic: the design is unmistakably Victorian, marrying industrial grandeur with a morbid romanticism. Its brass-on-brass patina glistens under gas lamp illumination, while the intricate gear trains evoke the era's fascination with mechanized precision. Yet the chamber's coffin-like shape and the ominous hiss of ozone evoke a terrifying sense of containment, a paradox of hope and dread encapsulated in metal. Though the AAC never achieved clinical success, it remains a vivid illustration of 19th-century optimism pushed to the extremes of visual and functional horror.